Welcome to 21 Days of Sage Intacct for a New You, presented by LBMC Technology Solutions. Because it takes 21 days to make or break a habit, over the next 3 weeks, we'll empower you to reimagine the way that you work by providing 21 days of great tips to make a better you in Sage Intacct. Let's get started. The new you in Sage Intacct starts today. Day 2, scheduling reports for automation. Steps to schedule reports for automatic generation and delivery. Say we want to schedule a report that goes to all project managers that shows them their open purchase orders to date on projects. So we went to the report center to memorize reports, and then we would find the report that we want to schedule. We would choose more actions, edit schedule, and here's where we would set up the schedule. So their filters are, do you want to send it to a specific department group? And this is defined in the department dimension of Sage Intacct. Do you want to send it to a location group? Either or both. And then as of date that the report's content will be driven off of. You could choose a start date to say, if we wanted to send this out every Monday, we would choose a Monday on the start date. We could choose if it ends after a number of occurrences or by an end date or never. And we could also choose the reoccurrence. So if we wanted this to go out every Monday, we could say every 1 week, go ahead and regenerate the report and email it out. We're going to choose to email this. And here's where you have to fill out a little bit of information. So you would have to put in their email addresses. You could choose to copy you if you wanted to. And then the subject could be whatever you want it to be. By job, and then you could choose, do you want it to attach a printable document like a PDF, or do you want them to view it on the web, CSV or Excel or text? So you could decide how you want them to view the report. And then you could choose a message that you want to that it would put inside of the email. And so once you save this, it will automatically send that memorized report out to the group that we choose every Monday until we decide to come in here and change the schedule, ending it for this memorized reports. Thank you for joining us today on our presentation of 21 Days to a New You in Sage Intacct. If you want to talk to an expert, here's our contact information. We look forward to hearing from you.